Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about the new Zerodha Kite web, what it has been updated. Yes, today we have got a new dark mode, that is dark theme look in our Zerodha Kite web, as you guys can see here. So guys, before only in a chart you can switch whether it's a dark mode or a day mode, but now Zerodha has released a full dark version of the Kite web. Okay, so if you're a Kite app user in your phone, so in the phone you can switch between the day app or the dark mode. Okay, it was actually available from many days back in your phone app, but now Kite web is also enabled the dark version. As you guys can see here, it looks very good. Okay, so this is how it looks now. Okay, so this is how the new dark mode looks. And not only the dark mode, they've also made the order window very simple, which I'll be explaining further in this video. Okay, so I'll be telling you how you can enable this dark mode, and also I'll be telling you about the simple order window what they have made. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the lectures. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you guys how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on a capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you how you can enable the dark mode in your Kite Zerodha. Okay, so first thing is you have to click on your client ID at the top right side. So after you click that, go to my profile /setting. Okay, so this is the first option here, so click this, and once you click this, just scroll down here at the last, you can see theme. Okay, so you have two options here, default, which is the normal one, and the dark. Okay, so when you click on this dark, so this is how it changes. Okay, so here now we are in a dark mode, and when you open the chart and all, so it looks like this, which is very good. The candles looks popped out and it's very nice to see in the dark mode. Okay, so it's very clear here. And also the new order window. So yes, so this is the new order window what they have made. So guys, previously this regular order, cover order, bracket order, MA order was down below here. You have to go to more option, and then you had to select this bracket order or regular or all these things. But now at the top itself here, you can see whether you want to put a regular order, cover order, bracket order or AMO. Okay, so this is how they have made the new changes. And also you can see the MIS and CNC option has been now changed. Okay, so before there was it was showing only MIS and CNC. Now it shows MIS, which is for intraday, and for long term they have made CNC here. So this is how they have made it. So these are the little changes what they have made, and these changes are looking very good. Okay, so this was the new update. Like today they have made these changes, and today we have got this update. So this is how Zerodha has made the dark theme, and they have improved, and they have made the simple way for the order placing window also. Okay, so here you can see you can place a bracket order like this, cover order and AMO order. Okay, so which is very simple for the beginners. Okay, so beginners were searching where was this bracket order or where was this cover order. So it was, so many people didn't know that, because they have to go to advanced option to find this bracket order and AMO order before. So now just in the top right itself you can see here regular, cover, back, bracket and AMO order. Okay, so this is how they have made the changes, and this is how the Zerodha is looking now. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you on the next one very soon.